cables right here. And there is the keyboard right here. I like how they have this rocker here, which is absolutely nice. Purple G button, numeric keys on that side, which I like a lot. Got the grips here, very clean. Love this particular layout, especially the number keypad, so love that. Next up we have the G305 X SUPERLIGHT, so we're gonna open that up here. Instructions, and you have the cables over here. And there it is. This is, as the name states, very, very, very light. So no buttons on this side here. Got one button here, a rocker, and then on this side you have two buttons here, which is very, very sweet. So as a bonus, I wanted to show you the G316 X98 overview. It shows you the report rate, media knob, and dot matrix LED display, light sync, and game mode. So this is the screen that you get when you load the keyboard into your Logitech dashboard for the first time. So I'm just going to hit next here. It tells you the report rate. You get to set it to the number 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, or 8,000. I'm going to hit next. Media knob. It shows you a close-up of the media knob. Adjust the volume, brightness, music, and report rate with the media knob and dot matrix LED display. LIGHTSYNC, G3 signature. You can make it breathe. Color cycle, color wave, ripple. So you have the option to do that, or you can turn it off. And then next, game mode, if you want to turn that on. And it says here the game mode button allows you to disable any keys you don't want to accidentally press, set a high report rate, and turn on the game mode to enjoy a more extreme gaming experience. Let's party. So once I click that, then it shows me the different options that I could set here. And I did a firmware update already. And then when I go back, then that takes me to my current screen, and I'm going to load the other mouse in here as an option. Pro X SUPERLIGHT 2 is what I'm using right now. I'm using the G316 X98. I also have the option to use the Pro X2 Lightspeed, and also I use the A50 as well. As you can see here, now I have the G305 X SUPERLIGHT right next to the G316 X98. And if you click on that, it gives you the opening screen for the G305 X SUPERLIGHT, designed with the world's top esports athletes to remove any barrier between you and the win. Hero 44K configuration, BHOP mode, sensor calibration, 1000 Hertz report rate. And then once I hit next on this, just want to show you what it looks like. So you have 800 all the way to 3200 for the sensitivity. Next over, you have the BHOP mode. Helps prevent unintended jumping if the scroll wheel is accidentally bumped, which is really nice. So you can enable or disable that. Next over, sensor calibration. You get the opportunity to do that as well. 1000 Hertz report rate. And then LIGHTSYNC, like we saw before. G signature, color breathing, fixed, or you can leave it off. And then from there you go to Let's Party. It shows you all the different configurations that you could do with the mouse itself. G305 X SUPERLIGHT, first person, XY split, MMO, setup, MOBA, productivity, simulation. third person XY split. So depending on what you want to do and depending on the way you want to set it up, you have the option to do it all here in this particular customization page. We're just going to go back to the main menu. So here we are. So we have the G305 X SUPERLIGHT. I took off the other SUPERLIGHT so I can show you the example here. G316 X98, Pro X2 light speed, and the A50 headset. Now we're taking a look at them side by side. So you have your keyboard here, the rocker, which is nice. I really like this right here. And then you have your mouse right here. Just want to say, Logitech, thank you so much for sending these two items. Looking forward to making them my daily moving forward. And if you'd like to get a discount on these two items, you can use my name, Andrew Alliance, at checkout, and I'll have the links in the description below.